name is Angela Sawyer, and I teach Hebrew Bible and Biblical Studies at Stirling Theological College. In the Stirling Winter School, I'm teaching the unit, The Bible for Life and Ministry. And in this unit, we'll explore the Old and the New Testaments and their relationship with one another. The background to the Bible, including its historical and geographical context, will be examined. And you will learn how to study the scriptures and gain a deeper understanding of how to use the Bible in ministry, including in preaching, teaching, and pastoral and spiritual care. As well as covering the basics of an introduction to the Bible, we'll be taking a practical approach to the use of the Bible in life today. And questions we might study include, what is the Bible? Who wrote it? How did it come together? What writing styles do we find in it? And how does this affect the way that we read it? If you're curious, come and join us this winter and use this season to grow in your discernment, practices, and understanding of this incredible text.